Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 30 Fusion, and let me share with you how to check IMEI and serial number of this device. So basically we've got two different ways to check those numbers. The first one, actually the quickest one, requires a secret code, and the second is using the settings. And of course I'll show you both. So let's begin with the secret code. Let's open the dialer, tap on the keypad as it is the place where we can enter it. And the code for the IMEI number is *##06#. And as you can see, by this code we're provided with both IMEI numbers because we've got two different SIM slots and also a serial number attached to this device. So let's tap on OK, and let me show you another way to check those numbers. It will be quite useful if for some reason the secret code won't work. So let's enter the settings. Now we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone, and now let's scroll down just a little bit. As you can see in the device details right here, we've got the both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots, and if you'd like to check the serial number of this device, simply tap on Model, and as you can see on the second position we've got the serial number. So basically that's all. This is how to check IMEI and serial number using two different ways in your Motorola Edge 30 Fusion. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.